Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we have come to the Chain of Rocks Bridge. It crosses over from Illinois to Missouri. We were coming because on the Missouri side of the Chain of Rocks Bridge, it has been closed for the past 2 years. And today, the recording of this video, it reopened. I was going to go visit. There's this big celebration going on. Unfortunately, all the parking and the park on the Missouri side is completely full. So is the overflow parking. They were diverting people to the Illinois side. All of the parking next to the Chain of Rocks Bridge is full as well. And so now I've parked in a different location and I'm making my way walking to the Chain of Rocks Bridge. I don't think they anticipate, I think they figured there'd be a lot of people out, but I don't think they anticipated exactly how many. It's pretty insane. So anyway, that's what we're up to. We're gonna check out the new park on the west side of the Chain of Rocks Bridge. So let's go and check it out. There's an eagle there in the sky. This area is known for having all kinds of bald eagles. It's a very popular thing to come out to do here in January and February because the eagles are nesting at that time and it's clear, you can see them. Alright, there is the Chain of Rocks Bridge and the parking lot, and the cars are parked alongside the road here, probably for almost a half mile or more. Alright, so I'm going to see you on the other side of the river, because this is about the Missouri side opening up, not the Illinois side. Alright, as we look across the river there is the new Chain of Rocks Bridge. It opened in 1966. It was the replacement for the old Chain of Rocks Bridge. But that bridge now is considered obsolete, and a new Chain of Rocks Bridge is being built. The gates are fully open. Right, here's just a placard with some history of the old Chain of Rocks Bridge. Timeline there. Now these are temporary paintings here, which will eventually be replaced by their permanent paintings, but these are various birds that you can find along the riverfront here. And here's the other side with a few more creatures of the air. So this section will be returned to prairie land. There's the new pavilion. There's a lot of nice tables under there. Of course, at the time of this recording, they are all full. Now, the Chain of Rocks Bridge is part of the Mississippi Greenway. This placard's just talking about life along the river and the importance of the river to us. There were a couple of food trucks there today. Here showing the new gate front. Gates are locked after sunrise and before sunset, basically sunrise to sunset, so when the park is opened. There's a guardhouse there. There's all kinds of cameras in this park. And this is just an overview of some of the people who were there. This was the last about half hour of the celebration, so crowds had diminished quite a bit from the opening at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Welcome to the old Chain of Rocks Bridge. The bridge is open daily for you to explore and enjoy. Volunteers open each day at 9 a.m. and is open until 30 minutes after sunset. And no trespassing or loitering on this property. Violators will be prosecuted. And here, walking back, we take a look at the new Chain of Rocks Bridge that is being built right alongside the new Chain of Rocks Bridge. The new bridge is supposed to open in 2026, so about 2 years from now. Well, we have made it back to the Illinois side. Now I've got the about a mile and a half walk back to the car from here. He was not very happy, that little boy was not. Anyway, well, our adventure is going to come to a close now. This has been the reopening of the Missouri side of the Chain of Rocks Bridge. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee, or Patreon, or even here on YouTube, and becoming a member of either one of those places, any of those places. Thank you for watching. Till next time, don't forget to get your kicks on Route 66. Because that's a wrap. Remains of a dead snake. Flattened.